Hi all, today in this video I would like to explain about Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol is considered as the father of management. He was born in the year 1841 in France. After graduating in mining engineering, he worked in French mining company and based on his experience in the field of management, he published many books and journals. General and industrial management was the most remarkable work of him. Now let's examine Fayol'ism in detail by explaining Henry Fayol's 14 principles of management. The first principle, he says, division of work. According to this principle, a complex work should be divided into different tasks, and each task should be assigned to a particular employee, and thereby we can increase specialization. Say for example, think about the total accounting work. Total accounting work is divided into different day books, activities like some accountants are interested with the work of cash book. Some others may be always focusing on purchase book. Some others may be always focusing on preparation of bank reconciliation statement. So what is its advantage? The person who is concentrating on, or who is every day, if he is doing the same work like preparation of cash book, he will become an expert in that field. So this is the basic concept of division of work. So division of work is relevant in almost all organizations, whether it is business organization, non-business organization, government, everywhere we can see the relevance of division of work. Think about government sector, we have different ministries like Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Education, Human Resource Development, like that. We have a lot of ministries because the entire government activities are divided into different ministries or departments. Similarly, even this management division of work, even it is relevant in your kitchen activities also. You can divide the kitchen activity and assign different persons for particular kind of job. So thereby we can ensure specialization. So remember, specialization is the very basic advantage of division of work. So the second principle says authority and responsibility. What is authority? Have any idea? Authority means it is the right to give orders and instructions to subordinate. It is the right of a superior, or it is the right to give orders and instructions to subordinate. And responsibility means it is the obligation to do the work as assigned by the authority. Fayol believed that authority and responsibility type of structure is very essential for the smooth working of any organization. Say for example, if the teacher asking you to do this some particular work, or to do some assignment, so you have to, as a student, you have to admit and you have to perform that work. It is your obligation, it is your responsibility to do that work. Similarly, a person, if the teacher has some rights on you, some authority on you, similarly he is also responsible for some work. So Fayol says authority and responsibilities are the two sides of a same coin. Clear? Third one is very important, that is discipline. If you want to be successful in your life, if you want to be successful in your business, you should keep a third principle. The third principle says discipline. So what is discipline? According to Fayol, discipline means obedience, respect for authority, and observance of established rules. So these are the three elements of a discipline. And Fayol believed that discipline is very essential for the smooth working of any organization. It is unity of command. The unity of command principle states that each employee should get orders and instructions only from one superior. Otherwise, it will create confusions. Say for example, marketing manager demanding to get sales report from the accountant, and at the same time the human resource manager asking to same accountant to prepare payroll preparation, to prepare payroll. In that time he cannot do the work, he cannot accept the two orders at the same time. So this is an example of unity of command. So we should keep in mind the principle of unity of command while we design organizational structure or drafting an organizational structure for a particular organization. Next it is unity of direction. So unity of direction says that there must be one head and one plan for a group. So actually it is almost similar to unity of command, but the difference is that here we address on macro sense, means we are addressing a group issue. There must be a one group, one head and one plan for a group. The former one means unity of command is an individualistic concept. An employee should get orders and instructions only from a superior. At the same time, in unity of direction says a group of persons, there must be one head and there must be one plan for a group. Clear? So dear students, we explained today only 5 principles. The coming principles can be explained in the next class. So you can prepare a class note based on today's class. So keep learning. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.